Hi there. On this video today, I wanted to show you step by step how to take your EmbedReviews code and embed it inside your Wix website builder. To get started, you will need at least a pro plan for EmbedReviews so you can connect your Google and Facebook account. To get started, you can go to widget section. If you already have a widget created, click edit. If not, just follow the steps from the new widget button. Once inside the widget, on the left hand side, you will see the embed code option over here. You can just copy the code, jump back to your Wix website, and obviously you would like to edit the site. Once you click edit site, a new tab will open up with your website. And from here, you will need to click the plus sign, which is add elements. Look for the option embed code over here and click embed HTML. From here, you'll see a small screen popping up and a place to paste the code. So I'll go ahead and I'll paste the HTML code inside. I'll click update. As you can see, the widget already loaded, but I need to give him some more space so it can be seen inside the website. So let's do that by just stretching this block over here and stretching the block over here. That's it. You would like to click save to save the changes, so the widget will be applied on your website, or click publish, so this can go directly live onto your website. If you need any additional assistance on how to embed the widget in Wix, feel free to reach out to the live chat, so we will be happy to help. Thank you.